Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a video using Chat GPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. This incredible AI technology can engage in realistic conversations, making it perfect for generating dynamic and interactive video content. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss what Chat GPT is and how it works. Chat GPT is an advanced language model that has been trained on a wide range of internet text to generate human-like responses. It's capable of understanding and responding to a variety of queries, making it an excellent tool for creating conversational videos. To get started, it's important to have a clear plan for your video content. Decide on the topic or theme you want to cover and create an outline or script. This will help guide your conversation with Chat GPT and ensure your video flows smoothly. Next, let's set up the Chat GPT interface. You can access Chat GPT through OpenAI's platform or use the available PII. Once you have access, open the interface and prepare to initiate a conversation with the model. Now it's time to start the conversation with Chat GPT. Begin by introducing the topic or question related to your video's content. Be as clear and specific as possible to get the best responses from the model. As Chat GPT responds to your initial query, engage in a back-and-forth conversation. Ask follow-up questions, seek clarification, or request additional information to gather the desired content for your video. Remember, the more detailed and specific your questions, the better the responses will be. Once you have gathered all the relevant information from Chat GPT, it's time to structure your video. Arrange the conversation segments in a logical sequence, making sure to edit and refine the content to ensure it flows naturally. With your video content structured, it's time to start recording. Use a screen recording software to capture the Chat GPT interface and your conversation with the model. You can also consider adding additional visual elements or animations to enhance the viewer's experience. Before you publish your video, take the time to review it and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure the audio is clear, the visuals are engaging, and the overall flow is smooth. Once you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to share your creation with the world. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a video using Chat GPT. This powerful AI tool can assist you in generating engaging and interactive content. So, go ahead and experiment with Chat GPT to create unique and captivating videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.